Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. We're in Macon, Georgia today on an insurance restoration job. Folks, attic mounted hot water heater gave out on them and soaked the back half of the house. So our job is to get things put back. Got all the carpet pulled up, all the contents moved. Guys are here finishing, getting it trimmed out. Most of the damage was back here. We're just going to go back to pile carpet. 3 bedrooms, bathroom, moisture resistant board put back in the bathroom. Client also asked to upgrade for some crown molding and chair rail. It dresses this room up a little bit. Got a little small closet intersection here, but it's all right. Next step is getting paint. We'll be painting all the areas that you see here, walls only, is what the scope asked for. Carpet come in on all the concrete. Then we're going to put LVT down in the bathroom and at the little front entryway. So we can help you out with your insurance restoration problems. Please give us a call. Got the crews, equipment, and experience to get it right for you the first time. 478-501-0102. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.